Hi. If you are tired of using IDM paid version, then this free alternative software will blow your mind. It can download 10 times faster than your browsers for no cost. It has all the features you get in IDM. Today, I will be showing you the whole process of installing it in your PC and use. Simply come to Free Download Manager. Download it. And simply install. When installation is done, simply go to browser and type FDM extension Chrome. And simply add to Chrome. Now right-click and come to Manage Extensions. Make sure it's switched on and Allow in Incognito is also active. So, this is the interface of FDM. Now we are going to make a download with it. You see, I have a Google Drive file. Downloading it. And it automatically captures the download via FDM. You can now enjoy features like speedy download, resume download, and obtain all the features that IDM provided you for absolutely no cost. So, this is how you can use FDM as IDM alternative for absolutely free. Hope this helped you. Please let us know further in the comment box. Be with us and also subscribe to Joseph IT. Goodbye.